Story loading problem Instagram, fix the delay in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the story loading problem on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix the story loading problem on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple. Long press the Instagram app icon, then tap the I button that will take you to the app info page. From here you can simply go to storage, clear the cache files, and if you want you can also try to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, after that you can simply try to open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Instagram app, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, check whether or not you are connected to a reliable internet connection. Then once you've done that process, you should definitely be able to go ahead and then relaunch Instagram, re-log in, and hopefully solve the story issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.